My name is Arshad Qureshi. I'm the founder of AQ Snooker, professional snooker coach, examiner, and national coach for Snooker Canada, the only certifying body to certify coaches. Today, I'm here to talk about MJ Harp, our very good friend and a certified snooker coach by AQ Snooker. Mark has been appointed as a team manager for disability team for Australia. Their team will be participating in Los Angeles in Hayball tournament sponsored by Joy Sports and Snooker Shop and few other companies who are supporting them, including AQ Snooker. And I really wish them best of luck, and I really appreciate, I hope that they perform well and hopefully one of their team member win the tournament. My message is for all players who are participating in that tournament from any part of the world, not just from Australia. I wish them all the best because these disability tournaments are very important for promotion of two sports in all ages and in all countries. So good luck guys, and well done Mark.